Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we'll be installing, styling, and slaying this wig from start to finish. This will be a beginner friendly install, so minimal work needed, and of course it's glueless. We're going to be using some products from my line bedeckbeauty.com to install and style this wig. And as you guys can see, I added no powder, no concealer, no foundation, no lace tint, nothing to the hairline. We're not going to pluck or tweeze. We also didn't add any product to the parting either, and as you guys can see, it came out super flawless. So the lace on this one is Chef's Kiss 10 out of 10. I have her linked in the description box, as well as lists and links of everything else we're going to use in this tutorial. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and this install, keep on watching. Okay, love bugs, jumping right into the video. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. She's 20 inches in length, 150% density. I opted for a medium size cap, and the lace is Undetectable HD lace with invisible knots, and also has a clean pre-bleached hairline. Absolutely gorgeous, and you guys can see my cap underneath, which is a great thing. That's also a great sign that you have a really good lace. We're gonna not waste any time and jump right into it. I cut a little slit down the center, and then we're gonna transfer to our eyebrow razor to go ahead and remove the excess lace. Get a load of how when you remove the excess lace, how nice it looks against my hairline without adding any lace tint or doing any work. This one already looks amazing, and you can also tell how well they went ahead and plucked out the hairline. So we're going for a glueless install. We're going to be using a product from bedeckbeauty.com, which launched today. Congratulations to me and all the Black women around the world who are motivated this year in 2022 to launch our own businesses. This here is a mousse. It is a hold and shine mousse, so it's not like the typical fluffy mousse. This one has a nice hold to it that you can use to actually adhere your lace. Yes, a mousse that acts as a glueless lace install bond glue. It's like a glueless glue, and you guys can see it actually works. I'm going to be doing the center first, and then I'm going to put a little on the sides. This works best with our glueless gel. It works together to make a great install for a small light daily hold. I use this with the blow dryer on a cool setting, and it works chef's kiss. So after I finished this side, I did the opposite side off camera, and I'm completely happy with my results. But it also works great when you use a melt belt with it. So let's go ahead and work on the hairline first, and then we're going to add the melt belt to help the hair to pretty much dry the rest of the way. This is a wax stick. It comes also from bedeckbeauty.com. We launched today, as I did mention already. I'm so proud and so excited. I'm sorry if I keep talking about it, but I'm going to make edges, not baby hair today. I really love the way the hairline looked on this one, so I didn't want to take away from it and make it classless, if you will. So I went ahead and just kind of swooped it and laid it and sleeked it down a little bit. Now I'm going to take that same wax along the parting space. You do get a good amount of parting space. You get 6 inches going back and 13 across. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the electric hot comb from our brand and just pair that with that wax to make a really nice flat install. You want to make sure that it doesn't look lumpy. You want it to be smooth. You want it to have a little bit of shine to it. You just want it to look all together smooth, flat, and neat. That is like my go-to. So I really do take my time on this step. You'll see that I'm kind of speeding up and also like cutting through the clips, but I really do take my time. This one for me is not like a one heat pass thing. This for me is like a take your time and just go at it until it's as flat and smooth as you want it. I'm going to go for some minimal layers with this one just to add a little bit of body and life. I typically will just keep my wigs as they are, but in 2022, I am challenging myself to do more customization. As you guys know, I like to keep it beginner friendly for you guys, and that works for everyone. But I also want to step my game up and kind of encourage you to do so as well and get more comfortable with adding layers, to your hair, no matter what the length or texture is, and, just doing different fun things to make your hair more custom and more great to, match your personality. This hair is silky straight, and I love the way it goes against the flat iron. It doesn't take much to silk it out and turn it into a silk press, which made me so happy. I love the color and the sheen of the hair. Most hair comes as like a natural brown, and this one has a nice rich color to it, so it doesn't look too light,
too brown. I like mine to be more on the black side. So I was happy with this one and did not feel the need or the urge to dye it jet black. So I went ahead and did that opposite side off camera, and we are here. Love, 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 love how the layer added a subtle, you know, touch to it. Layers sometimes can make the hair look a little bit more full as well. Here it looks like I cut a little bit uneven, but as you guys see, once I kind of moved the hair around, it was perfectly centered and cut. And this is what it looks like whenever you go ahead and add that melt belt. Some people will feel like you can skip that step, but if you kind of rewind to when we added it into after, the before and after is phenomenal. It definitely seals the deal and makes the hair look so great. I'll have the one from our brand bedeckbeauty.com linked in the description box. And I'm just going in for a quick finishing touch to just bump the ends. I remember getting my hair in a wrap style at the beauty salon every 2 weeks, and you know, they would do your hair, flat iron it, press it out really good, and they would just bump the ends really quick, and it just makes it feel like, number one, the old school days, and number two, it just makes the hair look a little bit more done up and neat. And again, between the layers and a little bit of bump, it makes the hair look even more full. I opted to not do any powder in the parting with this one, so I can just show off the natural HD lace. Also, there is a coupon code Ashley10 entered at checkout for money off. Happy New Year to you.
Okay, love bugs, we are officially done with this look and I am in love. Today I was going for something just super simple and sleek, and I think I achieved it. So this one does come courtesy of OMG Her Hair, and I love the fact that I was able to install this with my Glueless products. It came out super seamless, as you guys can see, and I haven't added any powder to the parting, any powder in the hairline, nothing. This is just the lace in my skin and how it works out. You can also see once I added the melt belt, it definitely melted the sides down. Now today I opted for no ear tabs, no sideburns. I just wanted, again, something super simple and easy to maintain. And you guys already know, when you cut off the excess ear tabs, it just makes it easier to maintain throughout the day. You can push it behind your ears around this area, and it's just super simple and easy to slick back. We did go for bone straight. I did add minimal layers and then just bumped it at the end just to give it a little bit of personality. I thought it would go really nice with my top, and I would say I did a good job on that. They did offer some free goodies, so they did change their packaging. I don't remember their packaging being this cute, but I'm definitely here for the gray with the silver detail. Absolutely gorgeous, and the fact that it actually held up pretty decent during shipping and handling. Inside you have this marble and bowls thank you note from the company, and then inside also is your dust bag. Super nice. And then you have your goodies. So I'm super excited about their goodies because these are good. So we have this little pack here, and it has an adjustable elastic band. This will help the wig to fit a little bit more tight. You have your brown wig caps, and then you do also have your rat tail comb with the logo embossed. And then from there, you also have two more bags. So this one is samples of their lace so that you can compare them. So we'll look at that in just a moment. They also included a second rat tail comb. So they loaded us up, an edge brush, two white clips, another pack of wig caps, a nice little twilly. You guys know the little scarves that just go along the hairline. This one has like a it's like an oriental, kind of like a flower theme. Super cute. Another elastic band. This one here is not adjustable, it's a traditional one, so I love these too. I think this is like a headband. Let's check it out. Yes, a cute little leopard headband. Love these to put around the hairline on days when, like, you know, your lace is lifting and you got to get out the door. If I did not mention these little bags here, the mesh bags do have their logo on it. Super cute. You could definitely reuse those. And then this is my favorite gift. It is these super nice, super cute press-on nails. Now, I've been into press-on nails a little bit more lately. This is a 24-piece, and I actually really like it. Super cute. Now, onto the lace. So this bag here contains a couple types of lace. Let me go ahead and open them all up. You have brown Swiss lace, HD lace, and then a regular lace. So here is what the regular lace looks like. As you guys can see, you guys know me, I can make anything work, but it has a little bit of an ashy tint to it. It's a little bit on the more like ashy gray side. So it kind of will transition. And then between these two, this one takes a cake. So this is the one we're wearing today. Absolutely gorgeous. And as you guys can see, once you put it on and you melt it down, didn't add any powder to the parting or the hairline at all, and it blends super well. So I would say chef's kiss, 10 out of 10. You guys know it's rare, if ever, that I actually will finish a install without adding powder anyways. And as you guys can see, I added nothing at all. So be sure to check this one out in the description box. Again, she does come from Omgherhair, direct link in the description box, with details and all of that jazz, as well as lists and links of everything we used to complete this look. Majority of the products we used were my products from bedeckbeauty.com, so make sure you check us out. Black owned, small business. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the new year. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!